They say, y'all have got too much time on your hands. And everybody wants to know if we're married.
Yeah.
And then they want to know if we got kids. I've got 2, he's got 1. Yes, we're both married, and we do not have enough time on our hands. No. We just make it happen. I'm Chase Long. I'm from Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, and I farm and do dirt work for a living and play with toys.
I'm Colby Counce from Etheridge, just right north of Lawrenceburg, and we farm for a living, got some chicken barns, and play with toys.
Setup time takes a lot longer because stuff gets broke. It's like going to the farm show. It's got to survive 3 hours up I-65. It takes days to set it up, fix things that are broken. Not everything gets packaged the best because sometimes when it gets tore down, we're ready to go home. We can have the table set up in 2 hours probably, but to get it perfect, it takes
another 15.
It takes
16.
Another 15, 16. I mean, two pretty good days of working on it to get it ready for instance, the farm show.
It'll take a good month to get ready for the farm show between our pulling vehicles and then our layout. So it's a big event for us.
It's kind of become a staple, I guess, at the National Farm Senior Show. And that's really why we're, I guess, still doing it. And we just try to change something every year new. We'll try to make something new. It doesn't all get changed. It's just as long as one piece gets changed. And like this year we've took 6 foot out and have built 6 completely new feet of display. The whole display is 42 foot long and 8 foot wide. So 6 foot of that 42 foot is going to be brand new for the farm show this year.
We'll see what it's like when it's together at the farm show and be like when it's stand back, but that is my new favorite piece.
Yeah.